Imagine this. Somewhere far beyond the familiar planets we know, a giant planet is hiding in the cold, endless darkness at the very edge of our solar system. It's a place where sunlight is just a faint memory, and the stars shine brighter than anywhere else, because there's almost nothing nearby to reflect their light. This world is so distant, so mysterious, that it's almost like a ghost haunting the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. For centuries, we thought we knew all the major players in our solar system. But now, astronomers are beginning to suspect that there's a world we never knew existed, a hidden planet that might be out there right now, silently orbiting the sun in the darkness, far beyond the reach of our most powerful telescopes. It almost sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? A secret planet waiting to be discovered lurking in the shadows. But this isn't just fantasy. There's real scientific evidence that suggests this hidden world could actually be real. Across the globe, teams of scientists are on a quest to find this mysterious planet, which they've named Planet 9. Using some of the largest and most advanced telescopes ever built, astronomers are scanning the night sky, searching for any sign of this elusive world. They're looking for tiny movements, faint glimmers, and subtle clues that might reveal Planet 9's presence. We already know about the 8 planets in our solar system, from the scorching surface of Mercury, closest to the Sun, to the swirling storms of giant Jupiter. Each planet is unique, with its own story and mysteries. But what if our solar system isn't complete? What if there's a 9th planet waiting to be found? Imagine being told that after all these years, there might be another planet out there. A world so far away, so cold and dark, that we can't even see it with our most powerful telescopes. It's almost unbelievable, but the evidence is starting to add up. This planet would be so distant that it takes thousands of years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. It's hidden in a region of space so empty and dark that it's almost invisible, even to our best instruments. But even though we can't see Planet 9 directly, we can see its effects. Astronomers have noticed that certain objects in the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies beyond Neptune, are moving in strange, unexpected ways. Their orbits are being pulled and twisted, as if by the gravity of something massive and unseen. Like cosmic detectives, astronomers are piecing together these clues, analyzing data from telescopes and computers, searching for patterns that might reveal the presence of Planet 9. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to uncovering the truth about this hidden world, and reminds us that the universe is still full of surprises waiting to be found. The idea of a 9th planet isn't new. For centuries, astronomers have wondered if there are more planets hiding in the darkness beyond what we can see. They called this mysterious world Planet X. In 2016, scientists found new evidence that made them think Planet X might be real. They noticed that some small, icy objects far beyond Neptune were acting strangely. These objects are called trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs. They were all clustered together in their orbits, as if something big was pulling on them with its gravity. This led scientists to believe that a large, unseen planet, Planet 9, could be responsible. To find clues about Planet 9, scientists use data from amazing space telescopes like IRAS and AKARI. These telescopes can see heat, even in the coldness of outer space. Imagine them like special cameras that can see the faintest glow from objects far, far away. By studying the movements of TNOs and looking for tiny wobbles in the orbits of other objects, scientists can learn about the gravity of things we can't even see. It's like figuring out the weight of an object hidden behind a curtain just by watching how it moves the curtain. The data from IRAS and AKARI helped scientists track these movements and gather more clues about Planet 9. Pluto, which used to be considered our 9th planet, is really far away. But Planet 9 is much, much farther. Imagine the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Pluto is about 40 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. Planet 9 could be 20 times farther away than even Pluto. That means it takes Planet 9 a very long time to go around the Sun, maybe 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years. To put that in perspective, that's longer than all of recorded human history. This immense distance is one of the reasons why it's so hard to find Planet 9. It's like trying to spot a firefly in the dark from miles away. Because it's so far from the Sun, Planet 9 is incredibly cold and dark. Imagine the coldest winter day you've ever experienced and multiply that by 100. The Sun's light and warmth barely reach that far, so the surface of Planet 9 is likely covered in ice. Scientists think Planet 9 might be an ice giant, similar to Uranus and Neptune. These planets are made up mostly of icy materials and gases with very thick atmospheres. They're much bigger than Earth, and Planet 9 is thought to be even bigger than these ice giants. It might even have faint rings like Saturn made of ice and dust. Even though Planet 9 is incredibly cold and dark, some scientists believe that tiny forms of life could exist there. We know that life can survive in the most extreme conditions here on Earth, from boiling hot springs to the freezing Arctic. These tough creatures are called extremophiles. Some extremophiles, like tiny creatures called tardigrades, can survive even in the vacuum of space. So it's possible that similar life forms could exist on Planet 9, perhaps in hidden oceans beneath its icy surface. These oceans might be heated by the planet's core, providing a potential haven for life. Finding Planet 9 wouldn't just be about adding another planet to our list. It would be a groundbreaking discovery that could fundamentally change our understanding of the solar system as a whole. For centuries, astronomers have gazed at the night sky, mapping the planets and searching for clues about our cosmic neighborhood. The possibility of a ninth planet lurking in the distant reaches of our solar system has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. If Planet 9 truly exists, it could help answer some of the most puzzling questions about the origins and structure of our solar system. It would help us understand so much more about how our solar system formed and evolved. The early solar system was a chaotic place, filled with swirling clouds of gas and dust that eventually coalesced into the planets we know today. But there are still many mysteries about how this process unfolded. By studying Planet 9, scientists could gain new insights into the forces that shaped our solar system billions of years ago. It might even help us understand why our solar system looks so different from the many other planetary systems we've discovered in the galaxy. For example, the gravity of Planet 9 might explain why some objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies, have such unusual orbits. These distant objects don't follow the neat circular paths we see closer to the Sun. Instead, their orbits are stretched out and tilted at odd angles, almost as if something massive is tugging on them from afar. This mysterious gravitational influence has puzzled astronomers for years, and Planet 9 could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Think of it like this. Imagine a bowling ball rolling down a lane. Normally, you'd expect it to travel straight, following the path you set. But what if, as it rolls, it suddenly veers off course, as if pulled by an unseen force? That's similar to what astronomers observe with these distant Kuiper Belt objects. If there's a hidden magnet under the lane, it will affect how the bowling ball rolls, causing it to curve or change direction unexpectedly. In this analogy, the hidden magnet represents Planet 9, an unseen but powerful presence that exerts its influence from afar. Planet 9's gravity could be like that hidden magnet, influencing the paths of objects in the Kuiper Belt. Its gravitational pull might be strong enough to shape the orbits of countless icy bodies, even though it remains invisible to our telescopes. By studying these subtle effects, astronomers hope to pinpoint Planet 9's location and learn more about its properties, such as its size, mass, and distance from the Sun. Understanding Planet 9's role could also help us learn more about the formation of comets and how they travel through our solar system. Comets are like time capsules, carrying ancient material from the early days of the solar system. If Planet 9 is influencing their paths, it could explain why some comets take such long, looping journeys before they become visible from Earth. Ultimately, the search for Planet 9 is about more than just finding a new planet. It's about unraveling the deeper mysteries of our cosmic origins and the forces that continue to shape our place in the universe. The search for Planet 9 is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Except in this case, the haystack is unimaginably vast, stretching across the entire night sky and beyond. Imagine standing beneath a blanket of stars, each one a distant sun, and knowing that somewhere out there, hidden among billions of points of light, is a mysterious world waiting to be discovered. But this isn't just any haystack. It's a haystack so enormous that it dwarfs anything we can experience on Earth. The universe is filled with countless stars, planets, and cosmic dust, making the search for a single, faint planet an almost impossible task. Yet it's this very impossibility that draws astronomers in, fueling their curiosity and determination. To tackle this challenge, astronomers are using some of the most powerful telescopes ever built, scanning the skies night after night. They rely on complex calculations, advanced computer algorithms, and years of experience to try to pinpoint the possible location of Planet 9. Every observation, every data point, brings them a tiny step closer to solving one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system. When searching for such a distant and faint object, astronomers measure distances in space using arc minutes, a unit so small that it's hard to grasp without a comparison. An arc minute is a tiny unit of angular measurement, much smaller than the degrees we use to measure angles in everyday life. In fact, there are 60 arc minutes in just 1 degree. To understand just how minuscule an arc minute is, let's use a simple example. Imagine holding a coin at arm's length in front of your face, with the sky as your backdrop. The width of that coin, when held out, covers about 1 degree of the sky, a small slice but still visible to the naked eye. Now, picture dividing that single degree into 60 equal parts. Each of those tiny slices is an arc minute, so small that it's almost impossible to distinguish with the unaided eye. Each arc minute represents a minuscule fraction of the sky, a sliver so thin that only the most precise instruments can detect changes at that scale. Now imagine trying to spot an object that covers only a tiny fraction of an arc minute, hidden among the endless stars and cosmic noise. That's the challenge astronomers face as they hunt for Planet 9, a world so distant and faint that it could easily be overlooked. Yet it's precisely this challenge, the thrill of the unknown, the hope of discovery, that makes the search so exciting. Every night spent scanning the heavens brings the possibility of a breakthrough, and the dream that one day, Planet 9 will finally reveal itself to us. The possibility of a hidden planet lurking at the edge of our solar system reminds us that there's still so much to discover about the universe. The search for Planet 9 is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. It's a reminder that there are always new frontiers to explore, new mysteries to unravel, and new wonders to inspire us. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe around us. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be discovered? Perhaps